It's an absolute pleasure to welcome more than 300 Komatsu guests from 20 European countries this week at the Williams Experience Center. Innovation is in the DNA of both Komatsu and Atlassian Williams F1 team.
Komatsu and Williams have a long history together. We go back more than 30 years. Back in the 1990s, Komatsu was a technical partner and supplied gearboxes to the Williams F1 team. And here, in the Heritage Museum, customers can see components from the gearbox that powered the Williams F1 cars.
We bring our customers to this iconic place to experience the PC220LCi-12, the most advanced excavator ever designed.
The PC220-12 excavator is completely built around the operator experience. It has a massive ergonomic cabin, an 8-inch intuitive touchscreen. It benefits from Komatsu next generation engine and hydraulic system. IMC 3.0 Intelligent Machine Control removes the complexity out of daily operations by supporting the driver to produce accurately, efficiently and consistently. Combined with smart construction solutions, you have a 3D connected workplace that allows easy job site tracking, visualization and planning.
We spent some great time here together with our customers. From factory tours to machine demonstrations, we discovered how both our organizations share the same values of innovation, engineering excellence, and continuous improvement.